But tonight is truly extra special because I know that I am performing for a sea of educators, for a community with a shared purpose, and I'm performing tonight as a member of that community. I'm truly fortunate po that I am able to partake in our advocacy and that I am able to share our message to family, to friends, and even to colleagues in the entertainment industry. And it just reminds me that our impact goes beyond the screen. That we as performers, we can provide more than just fun, happiness, and entertainment. That we can also be beacons of hope and support for the Filipino community, for those in need. And so as I sing this next song, I hope that you feel the same pride and joy that I feel. Maraming salamat, IMG. I am proud to be a financial literacy campaigner.